To welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Lives. And I'm your good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi the entertainer. Yeah, it's time to work. It's time to work on this baby. I was busy, I had things to attend to, but I'm back. So those three guys, they thought today I'm not going to be busy on them. You were kidding. I am here. And I'm going to work on my car. And something is still going to be done today, which is going to traumatize me. I was somewhere else. I came back running, flying. Do you want to listen to this one? Want to hear this vora? Huh? You want to hear how this one is going to kill you? Let's hear what she will say. When I work on my cars, do you see any smoke here? You see any trouble here? That is me when I work. So I'm coming. Yeah, she's not gonna say anything. What are you saying? Oh, nothing. You're not saying anything.
Ma.
You. I should have kept quiet. Now they are giving me a job. Hey, it's better like I'm the one who fetched it. You are gonna touch my cars here. Please don't touch my cars. Please. Please, metal, please. This metal made not to touch my cars. This is my baby, this one. My baby. Always ready to take me wherever I want. Okay. So I want to be busy with you, my baby. I want to be busy with the intake. Let me start. We don't have time. It's already late. So I want to show you something with that engine and this one. Okay. The intake, right? Let's go to that car because we're gonna work there today. I wanna show you a practical example of what I'm talking about. I don't just wanna say things for the sake of them being said. I wanna show you I'm an action man, I'm a practical man. Those three guys, they know themselves. Alright. Let me put it here. Before I start working tonight. Lights. Yeah, it's light enough. It should be enough. Okay. Where is the stand? Yeah, looking from here. I connected the camera earlier. So this clip was it like this? How was it sitting? How was this thing sitting? I kind of want to take you on this journey step by step, like this. Okay. This engine came like this, right? So I started off by searching for the throttle body. What is a throttle body? This part. Why? Someone is gonna come. Nkupi, why don't you just insert that engine like that? I cannot insert this engine like this because, first of all, that car is an old car. It still uses a clutch cable. It still uses an accelerator cable. Everything is still cable way. It's an old car. This engine is from a more recent cars. So it's not your VR6 engine, normal engine. It's from this recent Sharans. Okay, cool. So this newer cars, they used an electric accelerator cable. An electric accelerator cable has this thing of an electric. Okay, for you to open up the throttle, when you step on the accelerator, like this thing opens, and normally it uses your wires from your Golf ones, if you know your Golf ones. So with this model of an engine, it doesn't use a wire. It uses a sensor. I don't know whether here is the home of the sensor or what. So I needed a throttle that uses a wire. Which one? Why do you need a throttle that uses a wire? Because the car that I'm going to put this engine in is an older model type of car. It uses an accelerator cable, not the sensor. So I needed to get this throttle. So I removed this throttle. Why did I remove this throttle? I wanted to have the perfect size which will sit here and close this place up, this area up. So I did that. I went to search for it. I realized that I'm not winning. So I couldn't find a better, cheaper throttle. What did I do? I took the old VR6 throttle, right? I took the old VR6 throttle and I put it here. And it showed me that it can sit here, but it's a little bit, it has a little bit of offsets here. Even most people with R32s and using other throttle bodies, you'll see they might use 2 bolts, but it's fine. They might argue now. Let's not make it about anybody. So I went there, I searched for this, and then I couldn't find it. And then I took the older one, but I couldn't win because whenever I went to consult, I left this at home sometimes. When I went to Pretoria, I left this at home. And I needed to have the perfect measurement. And I didn't measure this. I didn't measure this. I just Googled. And then I failed at finding it. And at the end, I ended up being desperate. And I took the normal. And there's this guy of mine who had this similar engine. So he gave it to me. He gave it to me. How? They were like, take. So they didn't give this to me. I'm lying. They said whenever I'm starting to put my engine on, I should put this other intake and remove mine. Give them mine. My fresher one, So I'm gonna put this on, and I'm gonna give them mine. Because at the place where I did this spacer thingy, when I found this throttle, right, I bought it. And then now I need to match this with this. And that time, I am not at home. I'm not carrying out. This thing is at home. I am in Pretoria. And then they gave me this. They said when I put my engine on, I must give them mine. And then they matched this on this one. I asked that guy with this intake that, can I keep yours? And then I'm going to give you mine when I put my engine in. He was okay with it. So it's a smart person. They understand. Like, it's not like people who don't understand. And now I'm having this throttle. Yeah, they added an adapter here and modified it so it can fit. And it's now having a bigger one. And then now Madoda Duma, Jehovah Jofitze, BYK, and Errol Dwayne van der Sand, they are going to see flames. This is how they're going to see flames. They're going to come with their small-mouthed intake, and I'm going to come with this big one. It's an advantage already. You see, I'm getting my advantage, guys. Actually, we are very chilled. We are arguing like sensible people. Actually, we're not arguing. How can I be speaking alone and say I'm arguing? You understand? So we're going to meet, guys. This world is very small. So I think I made my explanation very clear. Whoever wants this electrical throttle, they can come get it, because I'm never going to use it. It's even small. You understand? It's small. It's small. When I say small, I'm talking about the diameter. It's small. You see, it fits in this one. It fits in this one, you see. It's small. Small advantage. Put in a bigger one. So yeah, that's what I wanted to explain today. And you'll probably see me working on it from tomorrow. Right now, I'm just gonna call it a day. Rest. I've been going up and down. I'm tired. This car thingy is tiring. Please be patient with me. I'm not in a hurry to show these guys that I'll chow them. And can they please not be in a hurry, because I started this. And I know they're not even in a hurry. I'm talking about you people commenting, hey, but you're putting me under unnecessary pressure, guys. I know what I said I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do it. So just be patient. Just be patient with me. Because you're gonna put me under pressure, I'm gonna end up doing wrong things, and I'll go all the way to Durban to lose. I'm not going to Durban to lose. Durban, Pietermaritzburg, Lake Habile. Durban, Pietermaritzburg, Pretoria. Durban, Pietermaritzburg, Pretoria. There's 3 cities. Because when I'm calling out names, it might sound funny to some. So, Durban, you know yourself. Pietermaritzburg, you know yourself. Pretoria, you know yourself. The mighty Nkupi is coming. I'm a warrior. You know, I don't usually just say things. I don't. I make sure I'm well prepared. And when it's time, it's time. I never just say things. I'm coming to all your cities. I'm going to drive down to your cities. You understand? And it's not going to be nice when I get there. That's all we have for this episode of Cast and Sinclair. And I'm not beautiful great fans to copy the entertain. I'm coming. Durban, Pietermaritzburg, Pretoria. You know yourselves. I'm coming.